how does the platform maintain 3x, 5x for any of the leverage tokens? For instance, BTC3 short, you tap inside, you are inside here, you can see this is BTC 3x. This S imply short. If it is 5x, how does the platform maintain this? Gate uses something called automatic rebalancing. That is like setting the system back to default, and it happens every 12 midnight every day. And the rebalancing can also happen during strong market moves at any time of the day. Think of it like an hidden engine adjusting your position behind the scene so that the leverage stay at this 5S or 3S for each of the leverage tokens on the platform. So you don't manage anything manually.